Hello students, today we are going to discuss on the poem My Mother at 66 composed by Kamla Das. In previous class we have discussed about the poem in detail. In today's class you will get some central idea and explanation of the poem in a note form. Okay, so let's start. This is all about the author. Kamla Das was also known as Kamla Surya, who was born on 31st March 1934 in Malabar. She was born in Malabar, that is in Kerala. Okay, she was a leading English poet and literature, and same time she used to write in Malayali also. Malayalam. Okay, she got fame in basically for the short stories and autobiography, which were written under the name of Madhavi Kutti. Okay, some of the poem or some of her writing was basically known for her autobiographical touch. In the present poem also you got a autobiographical touch. Okay, in the second para you will find some of her important work. Okay, she is a sensitive writer, as I discussed in the previous class. She used to deals with complex subtleties of human relationship in lyrical idiom. Means human life is full of problems. Those problems in a lively form you can find in the poem of Kamla Das. Okay, so this is about the poetess, and you can take the screenshot of this. This was some of the means award which she got. Okay, and next, this is the central idea of the poem, which you have to understand in detail. It is the key points, means you can say it is also the theme of the poem. Aging is an important phase of human life. This is natural that aging is the an important phase of human life. Means growth and development. First of us, we are in childhood, then we got youth, and when we are full of energy, and slowly we just approach to the old age, and lastly we just encounter death. Death is the harsh reality of human life. No one can escape from the same. So relationship between people becomes stronger. Relationship was becoming stronger at every aspect of life, and then they can't be a separation due to aging. Means as the time passes, this was the view of Kamla Das. As the time passes, our our nostalgia is going to be increased. The new word nostalgia means love for the home. We can say homesickness. No one can accept the harsh reality of death with full wisdom. Understood? That is the problem. Everyone was become worry when they get their old age, but that is the natural phenomena. Okay, like birth, like childhood, like youth, like older age, all are the natural phenomena gifted by the god. Okay, these are the different stages of human life, as means discussed in one of the poem of Shakespeare, the Seven Ages. Okay, in this poem the poet relates a personal experience. As we know, Kamla Das used to write in an autobiographical note. So we find the touch of autobiography in this poem also. Okay, she brings a common paradox of human relationship. दिस इज ए कॉमन थीम ऑफ कॉमनलिटी. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं था कि केवल ये कमला दास की बात थी, ये सबकी बात थी. शी ब्रिंग्स आउट ए कॉमन पैराडॉक्स ऑफ ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप. ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप इज वेरी वेरी स्ट्रांग एंड दिस present the life picture of sensational separation of a mother and a daughter. पोएम में क्या था, एक माँ और एक डॉटर सेपरेट हो रही हैं एंड व्हाट इज देयर ओन मीन्स साइकोलॉजिकल थिंकिंग, उनके मन में क्या था, देयर इज डिपिक्टेड इन द पोएम. ऐसा हम लोग जानते हैं कि डॉटर इज वेरी क्लोज टू हर मदर स्पेशली आफ्टर द मैरिज. Okay, but the daughter has their own responsibility. So she has been able to capture almost all the emotions which daughter is filled with. Okay, daughter and mother is understanding her daughter very well. She understood what the emotional thing that is going to be attached here. Okay, on bidding farewell, at the time of farewell to her beloved mother, sometimes we do feel deep sympathy for someone. When we are going to separation now, we understand their feelings. At the time of farewell, our all the emotions are come into our face. Understood? So, but we fail to express in a proper manner. We try to express our feelings, but due to some circumstances, we can't express our own feeling. Understood? Many times in every circumstances we can't express our means emotions. We try every time not to express our emotions among anyone. इमोशंस को कोई नहीं दिखाता है, किसी को कितनी भी तकलीफ है रोते हुए कोई नहीं आता है, या रो के भी नहीं पढ़ाई करता है ना. तो द सेम थिंग इज गिवन हेयर, यू हैव टू इलोबरेट. ओके, come to the next. This is the poem which I have already explained. Okay, now this is the summary. Okay, this is the summary, this is the keywords, but you have to explain in your own words the every instances of the poem. This is not a summary. कोई कॉपी में ऐसे नहीं करेगा कि बस summary लिख दे. Understood? In this poem, Kamala Das explores the theme of aging. Theme of aging, you understand? That is the continuous process. No one can escape from the same, and isolation through a narration involving her mother. Means the pain of aging understood by the poetess. एक डॉटर को अपनी माँ की जो एजिंग के कारण जो पेन है उसको वो समझ में आ रही है. While driving from her parents' home to coaching, she noticed her mother sitting beside her, dozing, her face pale like a dead body and her thoughts far away. This reminds her painfully and that her mother is old and could pass away, leaving her alone. Means the harsh reality of human life. Understood? The harsh reality of human life is predicted here. Okay, next. Putting that thought aside, she looked out at the young priest. Here she was very upset by looking the critical condition of her mother. That's why she just look outside. She just look outside and see that children are running out from their homes happily to play. Means childhood and old age both are the contrasting to each other. These remind her probably of her youth and life. Means the childhood is a symbol of energy, symbol of means joyness in the life. Her own younger days and her mother, she was young. Means she just feel nostalgic about all those things which they has passed together. But after the security check at the airport, looking back at her mother standing a few wards away. Means lastly, he just gave her again look. उस समय उसे देखते देखते वो अपना चेंज करना चाहती है, लेकिन सी फील्स फाइंड हर लुकिंग पेल मीन्स शी अंडरस्टूड that there is no any sign in the mother. She was just like a winter's moon. I have told you why the winter's moon has been compared to her mother face. She feels that familiar and pain and childhood fear of the thought of losing her mother. Means she thought that soon I will get separate from my mother, of being lonely just as he had been and as she was, because she was different from her other children. She could only keep smiling, but at the last, whatever the emotion came into the daughter's mind, she would not like to express in the front of her mother. वो माँ के सामने अपने इमोशंस को, वो जो कि उसके पेन के कारण था, उसकी माँ के पेन के कारण था, उसको एक्सप्रेस नहीं करना चाहती थी, कि ताकि मदर को उसे अपसेट ना लगे कि हो सकता है कि मेरी डॉटर को कोई मतलब प्रॉब्लम हो. ओके, these are the key points which is very very important. Poetess traveling in Cochin airport with her mother in a car. Start looks at the one. You can take the screenshot of this. There is no any means important points. Okay. Tries to hide her emotions by smiling. Why? Because she would not. She just tried to overconfident him. Try to build her confidence. Build her confidence of her mother. Okay. क्वेश्चन शॉर्ट आंसर्स इसी टाइप से आते हैं. ओके, these are the vocabulary you can understand. Okay, so I think my mother at 66 you will understand. From my side you will get the homework. Discuss the theme of my mother at 66 in. Okay, so in the theme of aging, the harsh reality, whatever the problem you have, you just ask through various. Okay, thank you.